well, the second of the platters from Johnson Brothers in the Old Chelsea range in the Autumn Flowers pattern in the Old Chelsea range. I know it's a little confusing, but basically this china was made 1940s, 1950s by Johnson Brothers. The Johnson Brothers sub-brand is called Old Chelsea. That's not the pattern name. They made a variety of different patterns in the Old Chelsea sub-brand, and this is Autumn Flowers from that sub-brand. Smaller of the two platters we're listing, this is the 12-inch, I think 9.5-inch wide. Nice little rotating rib moulding going out to this detailing in gilt around the outer side. Just three sections of block transfer print in this autumn flower design. Really nice browns, yellows and orange sort of autumnal flowers on a sort of cream background. Old Chelsea branding, Johnson Brothers crown. Made in England. BY is the rationing code that Johnson Brothers were having to apply on china being made in the post-war period, so it could be sold legally with the ration coupons. It's in really nice condition, this one. The glaze is absolutely fine. No cracks or crazing in this one at all, front and back. No chips or rim damage. Little decorators gilt marks here where they've just smoothed the brush out before applying by hand this lovely detailing around the rim. So one of two really nice period platters by Johnson Brothers. Old Chelsea branded, autumn flower pattern, cream, glazed with gilt, with this beautiful autumnal colour. There's quite a bit of flatware coming through with this design currently that we're working our way through and listing. So if you're looking to put something seasonal on your plate, lovely one for Halloween or Christmas or general autumn display on a dress, or if you, like us, rotate your china through and use seasonal designs, that's a lovely thing to be able to do if you've got the ability and space to store stuff. Thanks for watching. We'll pop a link in the description below, take you through to the listing for this particular platter. Thank you.